Mga OOTD mo diyan. Just wait. Never kami magsasawa sa'yo, ma. Sobrang swerte lang makakita nila face and talent mo. Dapat lang. Bakla kaya dapat mag-avail sila. Ate Angel, pag-greet naman po birthday ko po. Happy birthday, be. I wanna see you here in Brisbane. But I can't afford ticket kaya sa TikTok na lang. Be, mura na ng ticket. Like, legit. Like, it's very affordable. My God. Mama Gigi is here.
Tulog na.
Di ba? Pinatutulog niya because ang flight namin is 5 a.m. in the morning. Right?
Tulog.
Mama Gigi is so, higpit.
Overprotective.
She's so overprotective. He don't let me out.